Let's do this.
Okay, Bitcoin Cash again. So did a video yesterday and the day before, but I'll do another video. So this is a trade that I'm actively following, more on spot really than anything else. I've been buying, well, pretty much the whole of this accumulation zone. So let's have a little chat. So we've got this bull pennant forming on the daily. That would give us a target of, we could measure, if we measure the size of the flagpole and we place it to where we think that it's going to break out, which I would say is probably about there. That's going to give us 262%. So into the high 800s, maybe 900. But if you remember, this is what I said, that this is wave one, okay, and wave two is consolidating in this bull pennant type structure, and wave three is the most violent. Okay, so usually wave three is 1.618 times the length of wave two, sorry, wave one, the first wave. So this extension of 262% could actually be a lot more. So what we will do is we will try and find around about 60%. So it's going to be somewhere around about there. That would be more or less, yeah, around about there, I'd say. We'll plonk it on top, okay? And that's really our target, okay? So I believe that it's probably going to come up quite high. Okay, so at least $1,000, and I'll show you why. On the higher time frame, we're not even close to the first Fibonacci level. Okay, and to be honest, I also think if you sold at $1,000, maybe it will correct some more. I don't think that's a very good place to sell. I think this is going to be a bit of a hold, really. It's going to do what Ethereum did, I think, and I'll show you why in a second. That's really important, so make sure you watch that. If I do the fib extension here, let's just take it off log scale. Look, the first zone is a 0.236, okay? We tried to crack through it here, and then we came back below. That's fine, is what it is, okay? Can't change that. But what we need to do is take out this level here. Okay, so that was the May 21 level. We take that level out, great. Okay, we're off to the races. And that's at 1640-ish on Coinbase. Now, because this was wave one, I do believe that there's a really good chance that this wave three could fully extend. Okay, so we could go to like the 3.618, 4.618, somewhere around there. Maybe even just blow through the whole lot. Okay, it's very, very possible. Okay, and then once we're up here, we've then completed 1, 2. However high 3 goes, I really don't know. Could go much higher. Just because there's a Fibonacci extension doesn't mean it's going to go there. And then the fifth wave is going to go way, way higher. A fifth wave could even extend beyond that. So you might think I'm a little bit crazy. I'm not. The other way that you can do it is that Bitcoin Cash doesn't like to follow the extensions, the fib extensions. Well, it likes to be on log scale. Okay, so if I change this and I put it on log scale, all of a sudden, look at all these Fibonacci zones. Okay, we've got, I reckon, 8,000, 4,000, 8,000, something like that. And these zones actually mark up well with the 4.236. So I'd say something like that is very, very possible. Okay. Let me show you a fractal of Ethereum and how well it followed for a long period of time. This is what I wanted to show you. Okay. So let's get into the daily. We're there. This is the fractal that I wanted to show you. Okay. We'll go back into full chart. Do bear with me. Look at that. Okay. So Bitcoin Cash followed Ethereum perfectly. Okay, so this blue overlay is Ethereum price action. Okay, so since December 2017, all the way down to January 19, etc. And then Bitcoin Cash followed it like the rest of the market. But look at where the fractal on Ethereum takes Bitcoin Cash. It's right here. You couldn't make it up. Like it, if the last bull run, if Bitcoin Cash followed Ethereum the whole way up, they'd have both reached their 4.236 extensions. Okay, so obviously we deviated away from that, but I still think this is in play. I still think this 4.236 extension is in play. Okay, and this 5-wave structure would take us up there. That would be 17,000. We could extend to the 2.618, so let's say 4,800, 5,000 at wave 3, and then wave 5 takes us up here. So, and that would be in line with the fractal. And I do think that Ethereum will probably go up, probably set a new all-time high, but we're going to take some of the value away from Ethereum whilst we do this with Bitcoin Cash. So moving on, the Bitcoin Cash versus Bitcoin chart. There's a huge pennant here. You know, this is a bullish looking chart. Waiting for that breakout. Again, the size of the flagpole would be 226%. That's the size of the flagpole. Obviously, if Bitcoin price is going up as well, then that's great because then the USD value is going up. And again, with Ethereum, if we're gaining against Ethereum, but Ethereum is still going up in value, then 219% might not seem like a huge amount. That could be more like 400-500%. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. ETH Bitcoin, we haven't even, I mean, we've been pumping a little bit, but ETH Bitcoin really has not it's not moved. It's still in the green box. Okay. So we've not even started to pump yet. Nowhere near. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to share with you today, guys. Please do like and subscribe. Follow me over on Twitter. Yeah, give us your comments. And if there's any charts that you want me to look at, then let me know in the comments, and I will try to do that. On the daily, look, this bull cup and handle pattern, the target of that alone is going to take you into about $700. So, yeah, good times. Let's see what happens. Thanks, guys.